Look.
My baba was raised in the era when they tried to save the man and kill the Indian.
Facts.
Fuck a residential credential, my pride on a million. I need me some cedar, some sweetgrass, some sage and tobacco. I need me some medicine. My spiritual guides never lie. Hold my loved ones in the sky, let them in. We ain't agitators, we educators. We ain't protesters, we protectors. Dream chasers with dream catchers. We the wildest dreams of our ancestors. All my sisters and brothers are black, indigenous, and people of color. Let's hold it down and uplift one another. There's beauty in unity, indigenous sovereignty, black liberation. We go coast to coast, homie, this the formation. This revolution will be live and then colonized. For the next 7 generations, all my relations.